When it comes to maintaining hardwood floors, finding the right cleaning tool is crucial. Unlike tile or laminate, hardwood requires special care to avoid damage from excess moisture. This is where Spin Mops for hardwood floors come in handy. With their unique features tailored for hardwood surfaces, they offer effective cleaning without risking damage to your floors. In this video, I have listed 5 best Spin Mops specifically designed for hardwood floors. From gentle yet effective cleaning pads to adjustable moisture levels, these mops are engineered to keep your hardwood floors looking their best. Whether you're dealing with spills, dust, or stubborn stains, these Spin Mops have got you covered. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So let's dive in and explore the top Spin Mops that will make hardwood floor cleaning a breeze. Number 5. Agori Spin Mop. It is my top choice for best dual-motor spin mop for hardwood floors. With 30 watts of power, it's suitable for wood, glass, ceramic, and stone surfaces. Operating quietly at 50 decibels, its dual powerful motors spin at 200 revolutions per minute for efficient cleaning. 4 replacement pads are included, with 2 designed for easy stain removal and pet fur absorption, while the other 2 tackle tough messes. The mop's freestanding design saves space, and its long adjustable grip pole prevents discomfort during use. With an adjustable cleaning angle and easy assembly, it's user-friendly. Plus, it comes with a quick access switch and a 3-month free replacement offer. Lifetime customer support ensures assistance whenever needed, making it a reliable choice for hassle-free floor cleaning. Number 4. Kogyo Spin Mop. It is the best cordless option spin mop for hardwood floor. With a lightweight design and cordless operation, this mop from Kogyo makes floor cleaning hassle-free. Equipped with a powerful battery, it runs for 60 minutes on a single charge, taking only 4 hours to reach full capacity. The dual motors ensure efficient cleaning at 100 revolutions per minute, tackling tough stains with ease. It comes with washable microfiber and polishing pads for versatile use on various surfaces like hardwood, tile, laminate, and marble floors. Its self-propelling feature makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. This mop also comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring peace of mind for users. Remember to charge it with a 5-volt charger before the first use and avoid excessive pressure on the handle to prevent damage. Additionally, it's important not to immerse the machine completely in water for its longevity. Number 3. Edu Electric Mop. I recommend this as the best for quiet cleaning. It's a spin mop designed for hardwood floors. With its cordless feature, you can move around effortlessly without the hassle of cords. It's equipped with powerful dual motors that make cleaning quick and efficient, spinning up to 280 revolutions per minute. The mop runs ultra-quiet, as low as 46 decibels, ensuring a peaceful cleaning experience. Refilling is easy with its detachable, transparent water tank, eliminating guesswork. You can monitor the water level at any time. It also includes a 2-in-1 sprayer and LED headlight, ensuring thorough cleaning even in dark corners. The long-lasting battery allows cleaning of large areas, up to 2,350 square feet, after just 2.5 hours of fast charging. The self-propelled feature makes mopping effortless, acting like a cleaning companion. The flexible design with adjustable tube angles ensures easy cleaning without moving furniture. It's a perfect gift for family and friends, providing an amazing unboxing experience with exceptional quality and customer service. Number 2. Bissell Spin Wave. Looking for the best reliable spin mop for hardwood floors? This one might just fit the bill. It's designed to tackle tough messes on sealed hard floors like wood, tile, and linoleum. With powerful spinning mop pads, it effortlessly restores your floor's natural shine. Plus, it's safe to use and comes with on-demand spray control for efficient cleaning. Maneuvering around tricky spots is made easy with its low profile and swivel steering. The package includes everything you need to get started: soft touch and scrubby mop pads, along with trial-size pet multi-surface formulas. What's more, every purchase supports homeless pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation. So not only does it keep your floors clean, but it also contributes to a good cause. Number 1. Bona Premium Mop. And this is my top pick for the best overall spin mop for hardwood floors. It's quick and easy to use, just spray and mop. The extra-large mop pads clean 40% faster than the leading competitor. Plus, it's refillable with any economy-size floor cleaner refill or sustainable concentrate packet. This mop leaves your floors residue-free and dries fast, gently removing dust, dirt, and grime. It's formulated without harsh chemicals like formaldehyde or ammonia and is biodegradable. The plant-based formula is safer for people, pets, and the planet, meeting EPA standards. Safe for hardwood, it protects floors from harm with a pH-neutral formulation. Its durable, lightweight design includes a secondary grip and retractable hook for easy storage. Using this mop consumes 97% less water than traditional methods. Included is a microfiber cleaning pad with a patented dual-zone design, lifting stubborn dirt and grime. It's reusable and washable up to 500 times, made of 90% PCR material. Overall, a reliable choice for efficient, eco-friendly floor cleaning. Wrapping up our review of the best spin mops for hardwood floors in 2024, remember to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow cleaners, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy cleaning!